Rumors when the truth is lost. I never stood a chance. We all think the dark knows, so we put life in their hands. Belief comes from on a line, but that belief is never questioned. Cause it's easier to believe what's in front of you than what is behind the words spoken.
I've been traveling, out in nature, looking at the stars, trying to make sense of this crazy life I live, and how I can benefit the world.
This is so cool.
Please believe me, we're so needy. That's why you'll fool you on.
There have been moments of total clarity, followed by moments of complete confusion. I've sacrificed time and energy
Found a matching today, Grandpa.
in places I feel will aid my ability to be of service. Believe me, I am human. I get lost. I get caught up in how I want to be perceived in meeting my goals. But what brings me home is this knowing that with each decision I make, I ask, is this helping me serve others better? As I answer this question time and time again, I realize that when your decisions are created out of an intention to give, it's impossible to make the wrong choice. Whether an experience is good or bad,
So excited.
frankly, it really doesn't matter. It's your ability to transform that experience into something others can benefit from.
Got the tent set up here.
Living is giving. So hold out your hand. You might be surprised by who chooses to hold it.